Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I hope that you are in a good health and good spirit. Today in this video I'm gonna show you that how to create Facebook account with Gmail ID, which is new update. So before starting the video I am telling you something, that please subscribe my channel and also like the video. So let's start. Firstly, uh, we should go to the Play Store and make sure that Facebook is updated. So the Facebook is updated, so you have to click on the open option. After opening it, you should go to the, so click on the right corner. So you have to click on this arrow option, and you can see that I have 4 accounts. So if you create a new account, you have to click on the create new profile and then click on the get started option. So you need to choose your first name, which is profile name. So I choose Austin, and then click on the continue option. You will need to select your profile picture, so I select this and click on save option and then click on OK. So after this you have to click on this, and I also choose this. It may take some while. So after you select your profile, you have to click on the continue option, and then after reading this is profile information. Control your setting, be mindful accessing your profile, how your info is used. So after reading this you have to click on the create profile option, and it may take some time. Your new profile is being created. It takes some time, so it may needs add friends to stay connected. If you want to add friends, so you have to add your friend, and if don't, so click on next option and then join groups. This is the groups, so if you don't join this, you have to click on next option and then follow the celebrities, and I don't follow the celebrities at this time, so I have to click on next option and then manage this profile. This is the manage setting. So through this you can add setting, and if don't, so click on OK option and then click back. After back you have to click on finish option and then click on done option. So through this your profile is being created. You can see that this is your new profile. So through this easiest process you can create your profile. You can create Facebook account with Gmail ID. So if you face any hurdle or problem, you can comment me and I will try my best to solve your problem. Thanks.